Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your name invisible in the Blockman Go gaming app. While the app does not provide you with the built-in features, but I will provide you a simple trick so that you can hide or make invisible name on Blockman Go app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. To hide the name, here you can find the option at the bottom of the corner. Simply tap on it. Next, here you can find the little pencil icon at the top corner. Now tap on it. Then there is the nickname option. Now select it to change or hide the name of yours. Now here is the fun part. Remove all the name that you had. Then type the underscore to make invisible name of yours. Just like this. Now you don't have to add your name to the account. And that's it. This is a simple trick on how to make your name invisible or hide it on the Blockman Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.